Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox graphics. To know how to fix or to solve Roblox graphics, you should just go to settings. Then in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. After that in this page you will enter to Roblox. Here, in this list of app info we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll go to click storage. After that we click on clear cache, and in the end of all these steps then you can turn off your phone and you can wait a minute, then you can turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.